Greetings, Africans. How are you, Africans? I hope you guys are well. I'm well, guys. My name is Tebos Khosana, and this is my channel. And on this video, I'll be talking about Kalni House. Do you know the Kalni House, right? Kalni House, who's the former ANC national spokesperson, who has joined the EFF, right? I want to talk about him and his desperation. I don't know if you guys have realized how much Kalni House has been attacking the Umkhonto Sizwe party, but not just the Umkhonto Sizwe party. He has been attacking President Zuma of late, right? So I'm saying this is a desperation by Kalni House to be loved by Julius Malema. Meaning Kalni House is doing all of these attacks, all this the insult that he's throwing at President Zuma and the Umkhonto Sizwe party. It's in a desperate attempt to be in the good books of Julius Malema. So this fraudster called Kalni House is desperate, so desperate to be loved